Well, today I got the new Beats headphones from Beats. Ordered them off of the Apple Store, and so we're about to unbox this and see what we have. Stay in a little box. Well, after you pull everything out, looks like I just got my packaging slip and the box itself covered in a nice little cloth. And I guess we're just going to go ahead and undo that. This is what we get after we take the white cloth off of the box. The new BeatsX, made of the W1 chip for Apple. So let's keep on unboxing. So now it's completely unboxed. We have the headphones. Just came with a little case, and looks like we have a manual and a different set of earpieces, and then of course athletic earpieces, and then of course the standard, just regular Apple Thunder port with the case. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and that is everything in the BeatsX wireless headphones with the W1 chip.